Welcome to the Scholars Learning classes. In this video, you will be studying your soil profile as we are continuing the chapter soil. So this is the other topic that we will be studying is the soil profile. See now, what do you mean by soil profile? A vertical section through different layers of the soil is called the soil profile. Right. Now, have you ever seen a deep hole in the ground such that dug up for laying the foundation of a building or anything, or you might dig up the small hole in order to fix up your cricket wicket, right? Now, you may have noticed that soil changes color as one goes deeper. The size of the bits of rocks changes too. Now the main layers of the soil are topsoil, subsoil and the parent rock. Now your soil, let's take this vertical layer of the soil. Now at the end you will find the rocks. These rocks are known as your bedrock. Then when you go up, a little up, you will see that there is a soil like this is soil and small pieces of rock which are scattered like this. Soil plus rock. This is known as your parent rock. Now then comes the other layer of the soil which is known as, after this parent rock, it is known as subsoil. And the uppermost layer of the soil is known as your top soil, which is very fertile, and you can say the plants grow on these soil. These are some of the roots I'm making of the plants. Right. Now this soil in which the plant grows and the roots are there, that is your topsoil. Under it there is subsoil, then parent rock and then the bed rock. Now each layer differs in texture, color, depth and chemical composition. These layers are referred to as horizons. Now this is known as your A horizon. This is known as your B horizon. This is your C horizon. And last one is your bedrock, same. Now we usually see the top surface of the soil, not the layers below it. If we look at the side of a recently dug ditch, you can see the inner layers of the soil too. Now such a view enables us to observe the soil profile at that place. Soil profile can also be seen while digging a well or laying the foundation of a building. It can also be seen at the sides of a road, on a hill or at a steep river bank. Now the uppermost horizon is generally dark in color as it is rich in humus and minerals. Now this topsoil, this part, it's dark in color and as it is rich in humus. Right? Now, as well as some minerals. Now, the humus makes the soil fertile and provide nutrients to the growing plant. This layer is generally soft. This is soft, porous, and can retain more water. The more water can be retained in this. It is called the topsoil or the air horizon. Now, this provides shelter for many living organisms such as worms, moles, beetles. The roots of small plants are embedded entirely in the top soil. The next layer has lesser amount of humus. Now, this subsoil. If I talk about subsoil, it has less amount of humus but more of minerals. This layer is generally harder and more compact. It is harder and more compact. Now this is called your B horizon or the subsoil. The third layer is the C horizon or the parent rock, which is made up of small lumps of rock with cracks and surfaces. Now this is made up of small lumps of rocks with cracks and surfaces. Now below this layer is the bedrock, which is hard and difficult to dig with a spade. Now after that, when you keep on digging, you will find a very hard soil which is made up of rock. So this soil is hard and it is difficult to dig with a spade. Now you need a very heavy material or the heavy machine to dig the bedrock. Now this is known as the soil profile. Now we've heard about the water table, right? So your rain waters gathered in the bedrock here in these pores, now which adds to the groundwater level or to the water table. Now I hope you have understood completely the soil profile. If you have any doubt, any questions, any queries, you can ask me and write me in the comment box. I will help you out with your queries and doubts.